The thing that we're most proud about our juice is that we know exactly where it's come from. So we know that there's no nasties in it. We're very, very proud of the quality of our juice, and mostly we're incredibly proud about the nutritional benefits that it brings to people, because people want to be healthy.
Well, the big difference with our juices from the rest of them is that it's natural, and it's like most juices, even around the world, are made from reconstituted juice, and it's just a cheap way of making a drink. It's not actually a real juice. And so we're proud of this natural pure juice from New Zealand fruit, which doesn't have added sugars or added flavours, colours, preservatives. It's just cold pressed goodness in a bottle.
We're part of a family. We have a son and a daughter, and also 2 amazing grandkids. So we want to see the next generation with great nutrition. So we have great pride in producing a juice that's going to be good for the coming generations.
But it's actually, it's being good to the land as well. And by producing organically, there's not the sprays and things that are going into the land and potentially, into people as well.
We've chosen plastic to bottle our organic juice into for the reason that the plastic is 100% recyclable, and because we make our own bottles, we're already using a percentage of recycled material to make those bottles, which gives us an incredibly low carbon footprint. It's just another way that we can care for the environment and make it more sustainable.
The organic way is far kinder to our planet, and and for our children and our grandchildren, and for people's children, grandchildren. It's just it's a better way to go. It's just natural, and it's really, really good for you.